back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, nice to meet you. My name is Aga Tompkins and I'm a hairstylist, makeup artist, and today I brought you guys here because I decided that you guys need to see how to do a straight across bang video. I've done Bettie bangs with shears, I've done Bettie bangs with trimmers, and I think it's time for some straight bangs. I will walk you through all the bangs that I ever do on myself, and I'll just have fun doing different kinds of bangs for you guys. So here goes nothing. I'm gonna put on my mustache cape. Let's see what kind of mustache. Vamp? What's the vamp? The sheriff? Howdy partner? Stop man. All right. Nice. That's pretty good. Oh wait, I gotta do this one. The Muscle Beach. Check out these guns. Oh wait, God, I could do this all day. Oh man, the disco. All right, that's enough. Let's do these. Sorry about that. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. If you know me, you're welcome. All right, these are pretty straightforward. No pun intended, pun intended. Definitely pun intended. Yeah, they're straightforward. You just, again, style your bangs the way that you wear them first. And if you want to, you can check out my first Bettie bang video, and I kind of explain how to style your bangs, so you can kind of watch that one and learn little tricks and tips on bang situations. I use these from our bangers because I don't want hair all over my face, so I at least start with this. They're really hard to use on yourself, so at home I suggest you just do this before you shower and then jump in the shower after, because this is so hard to cut with on yourself. They're great for using on clients, but I don't know. Unless maybe if you guys don't have eyelashes as big as mine, this might not be as bad, but it's good for the fact that I have to do this on film. So comb them through, make sure they're styled how you're going to wear them. And then I kind of go in, so I obviously had Bettie bangs before, so I'm gonna kind of follow the end line here of where my bangs, woo, that sucker flew away. Come back, get back here. Doesn't help that I have a greasy forehead. It's like halfway through my day. Oh my God, I can't do this. Okay, this is just not working out. Let's see here. Come on, please stay. Maybe I need to use these clips. Let's see if this will work. Come on. This is way too much work right now. Just so you guys know, you don't have to do this. I swear, you don't have to do this. Is this gonna work? That'll work. Oh my God, I always look so bad. Whatever. You guys get the idea. I just wanna cut off the bulk, the center stuff, because otherwise I can't see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut straight across here. Just follow the end pieces, and then later we'll clean them up more, but for now I'm just trying to get rid of the bulk. So just cut straight, comb them through. You're gonna do a lot of combing. This is like the biggest advice I could give anybody for bang cutting is, if you think that they're the fastest, easiest thing to cut, then you're so wrong. It's the first thing people see when they see somebody's face. So spend the time and give people good bangs, or give yourself good bangs. I definitely want to go higher, but I'm glad that I got the bulk off. So start here and make sure you get a clean line there. And just cut straight across. I comb through a ton, so don't be shy to like comb, cut, like almost between every cut I comb through, but I'll kind of try to work my way through this video so you guys aren't here forever. Okay, and then just make sure you don't cut any hair that doesn't want to be cut. We're getting there, slowly but surely. So I do a lot of combing through. I mean, at this point, it's like self-explanatory. You just keep cutting till you're happy with what's going on. And I'm doing baby steps, but you get the idea. I haven't done straight across bangs in quite some time, so I'm kind of excited about it. I need some change, you know? Sometimes you just need change in your life. Get rid of the old. They're looking pretty straight now. I still want to make sure that they're not Bettie bangs, so I'm just cleaning up this part. Cute. The unibrow looks good on me. Yeah, so just cut them till you're at like the length that you're happy with. I like to do over my brows because like when I raise my brows, they're still hidden, but they show when my brows are just regular and then they're not so short that you can just always see my brows. But maybe we'll do some micro bangs eventually. I just have to be in the mood, you know? Because I still gotta wear these bangs in life, you know? I've had literally every kind of bang you can imagine possible. Like I've even shaved part of my front bang and I've done all kinds of stuff. I've just been kind of boring the last 5 years or so because I was on tour a lot and honestly, I needed low maintenance hair, and during that time, I just decided it would be easier to be brown haired, and with that, I felt like I needed like at least interesting bangs, so during that time, I just kind of cut my bangs, I guess, to be the edgy thing since my color wasn't edgy, because I just didn't want to maintain it on the road in the hotel rooms. It's just hard. So I decided I would have fun bangs, but brown hair, and that's how this happened. Although I really always had some kind of interesting bangs. Get rid of any weird little stuff that's bothering you. See, you can see the difference. When I do Bettie bangs, I cut this little chunker out of there. So that would be gone if I was cutting Bettie bangs. I know it's not quite a big difference, and also with Bettie bangs, I mean, you could do super bangs like that, but I just style them that way. They're actually cut very slightly, maybe like that much more off, but then I like round brush them and my nose is itching so bad. Now I look like Rudolph. That little sucker. There's always gonna be one or two that try to get away. Anyway, yeah, so that's how I cut my straight across bangs, and hope you guys learned something. I might be cutting them for like 10 more minutes because they're driving me crazy. They're just gonna end up being Bettie bangs. There. That's better. I should just save all my bang trims and then use the little hairs to glue onto my eyebrows since I have like no eyebrow hair. It's a good idea, isn't it? Just plop the hair inside my little brow stuff. Like, here we go. So yeah, so these are straight across bangs. I like when they kind of piece out when they're this style. They can do like fun movement as opposed to like when I have Bettie bangs, I don't want them to really move a ton. When I have these kind of bangs, like they look cute when they kind of go sideways or whatever. I can like piece them and do different stuff with them, or I can wear them also super on point as well. Oh my God, they're still little guys. This is why it takes me like 20 minutes to do people's bangs. I swear, because I have OCD. And even if like one hair is out of place, I'm like, oh no, you gotta go. Get out of here. All right, there's my straight bangs. Thanks for coming back, and check out my other bang videos if you haven't had a chance to yet. I have a bunch of Halloween stuff out now, and also check out my series Food and Beauty, where I talk recipes while I show you guys some food that I made at some point or something. All right, bye guys. Thanks for joining me. See you later. Thanks for joining me for another bang trim.